Day one of the vlog.
Alright guys, so today we have this chunk of ice, and if you look over there, the lake is frozen. Now we're gonna throw this ice onto the lake.
Kirsten!
Alright, we're gonna try. So here's the second part, because the first one broke. Ow, there's magic inside.
I paused it. Cooper maybe pause it on X.
Alright, so I just chopped this off a tree, and we're gonna slam it onto the lake.
Whoa, whoa.
That was not a lot of damage.
Noah, what are you doing? Actually, you're gonna fall.
Alright, so I got up here.
No, wait. You're chill though.
Alright, so I'm up here now, and there's nothing we can do. Yeah.
We're gonna end the vlog right there.
So, you can see, this rock right here is a limestone rock. Oh wait, no. Upon closer inspection, it is a brick. It must have got here because someone threw it in.
Okay, cutest dogs ever. If you don't agree, then your mom's gay.
These two here be a rare Llewellyn setters. They're very hyper and very wild, but I tamed them.
You ever seen that?
Hey, what's up? He doesn't have a name.
Yes, it's Summit.
Oh yeah.
Y'all, Mr. Krabs, you can't catch this dab.
I'm gay.
Alright, so now that I'm on this snow thing, I'm basically cooler than everyone at our school. Not everyone, but almost everyone. And, yeah. This ain't gonna end.
Alright, jump.
I'm trying, but it's like, no waste. I'm not even mad that this video sucks. I'm just slightly salted. Slightly salted.